Just last week, Aptos, APT, came to the market. It's a top 50 crypto. There's a lot of things happening with Aptos, the new L1, the new layer one. We're going to talk about it. NFTs are coming soon to Aptos. That's really going to test the scalability of this blockchain and of this new layer one protocol. So Aptos market debuts. We've been out for about a week now. More than $1 billion worth of APT has been traded in the first week. So we're going to dive into it a little bit deeper in this video. I'm going to tell you a little bit more about Aptos, what it is as well. Make sure you guys smash the like button and subscribe down below. And make sure you're subscribed because we're always here every single day. Doesn't matter what day of the week, we're bringing you crypto content. We're bringing you news and information so you can be up to speed and make better decisions in crypto. So Aptos, it's ranked in the top 50. We're going to talk a little bit about what's going on, why so much traded here. So there was a lot of discourse about Aptos this week, and there were some really condemning remarks. But the newest cryptocurrency on the market is gaining a lot of attention, generating considerable volume in its first few days of trading. Anytime you come to market and shake things up, there's going to be a lot of chatter, a lot of people that are going to have negative sentiment. But as of Friday afternoon, APT has done at least $1.3 billion in volume since Wednesday, its first full day of trading, according to CoinGecko. It's an interesting counterpoint to all of the, backlash the project had on crypto Twitter, which is the closest thing the industry has to a town square. And as we know, people on Twitter like to be negative more than positive in a lot of ways. But the much hyped blockchain unveiled its mainnet on Monday. Over the next 24 hours, the project took a lot of criticism for the lack of transparency around its tokenomics. That is to say, the specifics of the cryptocurrency's economic model and distribution. Crypto podcaster Kobe took aim at exchanges planning to list the APT token before the tokenomics had been made public. Then the details of its token distribution leaked. The team confirmed them in a blog post and took a new round of criticism. That's because 51% of the APT supply is sitting with venture capital firms. For some traders, like an investor who goes by I am a DC investor on Twitter, that's an indication that the entire project is a fairly blatant cash grab. We'll see. I understand where people are coming from on this, but just because it's backed by a bunch of VCs doesn't mean that, it's a bad project. I mean, there's a lot of VC money in Bitcoin. Is that bad? There's a lot of VC money in Ethereum. There's a lot of VC money in Solana, a lot of VC money in Cardano, right? There's a lot of VC money in top projects in general, right? But on Tuesday afternoon, Aptos co-founder and CEO Mo Sheikh, I think, took to Twitter. I'm sorry if I'm botching that last name. Took to Twitter to address concerns and acknowledge that the launch could have gone better. This all happened right before the token began trading that evening. Then, in its first few hours, APT plummeted by 40%. But now, here today, Aptos is one of the top movers in the market. It's up 16%. It's trading now near launch price, sitting at $8.65. It launched last week at around $9. Again, rank number 46, sitting at a $1.1 billion market cap. Now, I mentioned it's a new layer one, but why is Aptos different? What gap are they filling? Well, the Aptos blockchain engine relies on parallel execution to handle multiple transactions at once. This makes things a lot quicker because a single failed transaction won't halt the entire chain. Instead, transactions can be processed concurrently, and all of them are validated post execution. So that is what they're bringing. That's a little bit different. And Aptos, again, always do your own due diligence, do your research here, look into it for yourself. But it is on a nice little upswing here, getting back to about launch price right now and above it as we speak. The volume has been insane. $724 million of volume in the last 24 hours. That's up about 23% at the top. At the time, oof, I had a hiccup at the time of this recording. So make sure you guys take a look at it. Again, this new layer one blockchain, again, a lot of VC money backing it, is a VC darling. They're saying 51% of the money in it is VCs, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. And if you want to learn a little bit more, do a deep dive into it. And what makes it different, they're saying it's the Solana killer, the Avalanche killer. So this is a really good kind of breakdown. So it says here, if you spent a lot of time checking out crypto news, Aptos Crypto might sound familiar. it's definitely true that a lot of new blockchains claim to be exciting layer ones that will solve all scalability problems that exist with Ethereum. While it's understandable to approach Aptos with some caution, it actually does justify some hype. A very active community, plenty of investors, and access to a unique engines and programming languages that will help the Aptos blockchain stand out. If it delivers on its promises, it will be very different indeed from existing layer one chains. And again, the scalability of the blockchain is going to be put to test because their NFTs are going to be coming soon. So that's what I've got for you here in the update. Let me know what you think about it down below, and let me get your thoughts on Aptos as well down there in the comment section. We'll see you guys all in the next video. Take care.